white ice cream?
Yeah.
Perfect. Good. It's okay, here, I'll get it for you. Perfect. Okay. Can you do me a favor? When we walk down, can you step down one foot, and then this foot goes all the way? I know it's kind of big for you. This foot goes all the way down. This foot. This foot down. Try this foot. This foot. There you go. Good job. Okay. Can you go get the yellow ice cream?
Yeah.
Let's go. Step one, put the other foot up here. This foot, all the way up, and then this foot, all the way up. There. Those are big steps for you, Mom. There you go. Perfect. Yep, you got it. And then all the way down. Good job. Red ice cream. Make sure you go all the way up, okay? Okay, here, do it with me. Hold on, turn around like this. Step. Step down. There you go. Good job. And then this foot goes all the way down. There you go. Uh-oh, not this one yet. I think we need green first. There you go. That one's kind of heavy. Uh-oh, we gotta go up our steps. One, oh, two. Oh, nope, you gotta go up the last one. Here you go. Like this, overhead, and push. Yay! Keep turning around. One, this one goes all the way down. This one down. There you go. Okay, and now glue. Can you look at me? Try like this. Try again. Can you bend down and look at me when you pick it up? Lift your head, lift your head. There you go. Ready? I'm going to help you this time. So this foot goes here. Step all the way up, the next foot. Okay, now use this foot all the way up. There you go. Yay! Good. Last one. Whoa, this one's really heavy. This one's really heavy. Hold on to it. I'll help you, but you gotta carry it, bud. You can do it. You can do it. Step all the way up. And push it in. Okay, can you help me blend it? Like this? Okay, hold on to the sides. And we're going to go. Do you want to go in the blender?
Yeah.
You ready? 1, 2. You're going to go in here. Is that okay? Whoa! And good. Okay, ready? I'll help you. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Can you go find your seat?
Yeah.
Good job.